Jet.
He's trying to get him.
What are you doing?
Nice, gentle hands. Gentle hands.
Is he holding his hand?
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Why? Is that funny, Logan? He's like, you're not getting my eyes this time.
No poke in the eyes.
I'm gonna watch to make sure Logan doesn't try and swing Jet.
They're gonna fight over his blanket.
Oh, why is he? He's trying to get his eyes.
Jet, leave his eyes alone.
Oh, he's holding his hand now. Aww. Gentle.
Jet. He's so unsure. He's like, what is he?
That's so weird. He wants to touch his eyes.
Yeah.
What do you think, Logan? You holding hands? Hey? Yeah, is that baby?